Timothy.
Babe, the apples are long gone. Babe, I tried to hold the apples for a really long time, but they got macerated.
Wait, I remember. I remember the apples, but I also remember. Do you remember? And you see this just look of utter terror, but a terror that, like, something may not be true. Do you remember a world where we had a son?
Yes.
And he just wraps his arms around yours.
We cry.
He says, I think I found your dead body in another world.
Oh no, I'm so
Do you remember that world? Is that you dead or here?
No, this is, I traveled from that world to this world through dying, but how did you get here? Did you die?
I got hit by a wagon.
Just a random-ass wagon?
Were you on
Who
a...
was driving? I'll kill them.
Yeah. Oh, this is Ylfa. Do you remember Ylfa
I
from
do.
down the street?
Sweet
I'm the
Ylfa.
one who overstayed her welcome after story time.
You did not.
No.
You did not. We both hugged you. You never overstay your welcome. We love having you around. You have such a kicky energy.
Yes. And you and Jack were very different ages, so it was kind of nice to set a place at the table again. And